Hey everybody, it's me. I did a lot to my truck in the past couple of weeks, so I figured I'd make a video of it. First and foremost would be brand new tires. Really aggressive. Beautiful tread, handle great. They're not very loud on the road either, which is cool. I cleaned my engine while I was at work. Now, remember, this is a 97 Chevy, okay? This is ridiculously clean for an engine this old. And while I was at work, a kid ran into my exhaust pipe, so I got to put a new exhaust on. Now I have dual out the sides instead of dual out the back, which is great. Oh, there's all my old tires. Let's see if we can hear this. That's my truck.